Welcome to pkpioneers.com tutorials. Today we will show you how to create or edit stores in Retail Pro v9. So let me show you how to set up stores in Retail Pro. Now for this demonstration, let's assume that we are opening up a new store in Japan. Actually a number of stores in Japan, so we have already created a new subsidiary for these new stores in Japan. So now for that subsidiary, we need to define the stores that will be opening up in Japan. Okay, so we need to go over to System Preferences and first off, let me show you that subsidiary. So if I go to Company General, here's that new subsidiary that we just created earlier. Okay. So now we need to define stores for that sub, so I'm going to go down to Stores to General, and this is under Local Preferences Stores General. I'm going to switch over to Sub 002. And the stores for Sub 002 are here. You just need to go in and type in the store's name. So, for example, for first store we will change the name of store 0. Let's pretend this will be our store in Tokyo and then I'll give it a store code, TOK. Now I will open another store in Osaka, and its store code will be OSA. Now hit the down arrow to edit or add new store. We will add a store in Kobe as well, with store code KOB. Alright, that's it. If you were just defining stores for a given subsidiary, that's all you would need to do. So, in this case, we have created 3 different stores for Sub 002. Okay, now store class in store type is just for information purposes. Some retailers will actually designate each store with a class and a type. For example, they can use class as something like brand, so maybe different stores carry different brands. So you can type in your brand name in store class section as brand A, brand B and brand C. After this, scroll the stores section towards right to find column name store class, and then you can actually designate these classes for each store by selecting the store class as the brand of the designated store. Now for store type, maybe it has 2 types, selling versus non-selling stores. So we will add selling and non-selling in store type. This is only for informational and reporting purposes, and then, once you set that up, you can designate the store type for a given store by selecting it in store type column. But really none of that is required. All you have to do to create stores is to basically just key in the store name in this table, and that's it. So we just created 3 different stores for Sub 002. Please like, share and subscribe PK Pioneers.